Hey everybody, it's Lon Seidman. We've got another unboxing. I got these in free of charge through the Amazon Vine program the other day. These are the new Bose noise canceling headphones 700. And we're going to have a full review of this soon on my main channel at lon.tv. Again, these did come in free of charge through the Amazon Vine program. However, nobody is paying for this unboxing. All of the opinions you're about to hear are my own. And no one is reviewing or approving this before it gets uploaded. So let's have a look inside the box and see what these look like. So the case feels bigger than that of my QC35s. And I should add that I've been very frustrated with Bose of late because the QC35s here have a widespread problem with them not shutting off. And Bose is refusing to repair any out-of-warranty headphones. So this name brand product is going to get my buy-at-your-own-risk designation, just given that negative experience I've had with the other ones, and I will bring that up in the main review. So here are the headphones, kind of a neat design. They don't fold over like the QC35s do. They do feel pretty nice and comfortable, though. Nice soft ear cups here, clearly marked left and right. You got a USB-C connector here for charging. I don't believe there is, actually, it looks like it might be in here. Let's take a look. Yep, so it does have the ability to plug in an analog cable to it, so you can get this smaller plug here attached here, and then if you're listening to lossless audio or something on your device, you can run that cable to your headphone jack if you still have a headphone cable on there. And also in here is a USB Type-C to USB cable for charging. They don't give you the wall charger in the box, it looks like, but you do, of course, have that probably with some of your other devices. So I really like the way these feel. Really nice. Now I want to bring the QC35s out again just so we can do a size comparison. So this is how the QC35s stow themselves for storage. It's a bit of a thick case, but it's not all that much surface area here. If we look at, though, these compared to the 700s, you can see that the QC35 is a lot more compact for traveling. These things fold over on themselves to make it easier to stick it in a bag or whatnot. Here you have no folding, so they are certainly going to be larger. But once they are folded out, I think they're probably roughly about the same size. The ear cups are similar. Maybe the 700s are slightly larger, yeah, just a little bit. But overall, I think from the standpoint of wearing them on your head, they'll be about the same. But again, we're going to do a full comparison of these in the review because I'm sure a lot of folks will be curious as to which high-end pair of noise-canceling headphones are the right one for you. So I'm eager to see how these sound versus the QC35s, which I've been pretty happy with on the sound quality side, and we'll have more to talk about very soon on the main channel at lon.tv. So lots to see. Stay tuned.
This channel is brought to you by the lon.tv supporters, including gold-level supporters, the Four Guys with Quarters podcast, Chris Allegretta, Tom Albrecht, Brian Parker, and Kalyan Kumar. If you want to help the channel, you can by contributing as little as $1 a month. Head over to lon.tv/support to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe. Visit lon.tv/s.